Good morning guys and welcome to the channel. This is the video with the challenge. I was talking about the challenge in that previous Jeep video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to include a link to that video in the description because you need to watch that video and today's video to win this challenge. Now this challenge is going to be for a $25 Amazon e-gift card. Now I'm not going to be selecting a winner. The winner is going to be actually chosen by yourselves. Whoever gives me the correct answer in the comment section first automatically wins the gift card. And like I said last time, if you guys enjoy these challenges, we'll keep doing these challenges. Just let me know in the comments below, and as always, hit the thumbs up on the video. So in the previous video I showed you guys a little walk around that I did on my Jeep, and today I'm going to do a second walk around on the Jeep. Now the whole point of the challenge is basically I went ahead and I either modified, replaced something, I made a change on the exterior of the Jeep. So for all my YouTube viewers that like to play detective and are always analyzing all these small little details, this is your chance to, you know, make some free money. So you're gonna analyze the clip of me walking around the Jeep that I made in the previous video. Again, that video is going to be in the description below. Then compare that clip to the clip that I'm about to show you right now. All I'm saying is it's a modification that I made to the outside of the Jeep. That's the only clue I'm gonna give you. First person to throw the answer in the comment section will be winning the gift card. Before I do the walk around, remember, there's new videos on my channel every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 6:15 p.m. Eastern time. And you guys have to hit that subscribe button and you have to click the bell icon so you can sign up for the notifications, because to be honest with you, if you did not click the bell icon and get the notifications, odds are that whoever wins this challenge is going to be somebody who did get the notification. So the next time I do one of these challenges, it's going to dramatically increase your chances of winning if you're going to get notified as soon as the video goes live. So let's go ahead and do that walk around. Good luck, guys. But if you are watching this on Facebook and you do want to participate in the challenge, then you need to go to my YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube, type in JMC Rides, and wait for that video to go live today at 6:15 p.m. Eastern time. Throw your answer in the comments below, and good luck.